Hi kids, welcome to my channel. Color name white color, blue color, yellow color, red color, light green color, pink color, green color, brown color, magenta color, blue color, black color, light green color, orange color. So let's go. A for apple. B for ball. B for bat. C for cat. C for car. D for dog. D for dog. E is for elephant. E for elephant. F is for flower. G is for God. H is for house.